The first myth is that weighted jump ropes are only for advanced athletes. This just simply isn't true.
Don't believe everything you hear, son.
Weighted jump ropes are the perfect way to start for a beginner because they move slower. You can get a weighted jump rope from 1/4 pound all the way up to 9 pounds. And maybe you just aren't strong enough to handle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pounds. But you should still start out with some sort of weight to your jump rope. Starting with that 1/4 pound jump rope just to get your coordination can make a big difference in your jump rope experience. You can improve your balance, agility, and coordination by using weighted jump ropes regardless of your fitness level.
It's for everyone and it's a whole lot of fun.
Exercises can be improved with them from basic jumping to more complex routines. Using a weighted jump rope is an effective way to burn calories and tone muscles. They are also a great way to challenge yourself and improve your overall fitness level. Now stay tuned because I have 4 more myths to debunk in this video. If you want any of the equipment that you see in today's video, you can find the links to all of them down below. The next myth is that weighted jump ropes are dangerous. Danger! So literally any workout can be dangerous if you're not doing it properly. Focusing on proper form while using a weighted jump rope is crucial to prevent injuries. By maintaining controlled movements and using the correct jump rope technique, you can minimize the risk of strain on your joints and muscle. Remember to engage your core, keep your feet and knees aligned, and land softly to ensure a safe and effective routine. And if you want more on how to jump rope properly, check the link I have below where I tell you just how to do that. You do want to be mindful to not use a weighted jump rope that's too heavy. Remember, you're trying to get a good workout and you can do that with literally any weighted jump rope or any type of jump rope, period. So don't overestimate what you can do. Only do what you can handle. After you get stronger, you can move up to a heavier rope. And remember, because it says a 1/2 pound right now, when it's swinging over your head, it's going to feel heavier than a 1/2 pound. Myth number 3, weighted jump ropes are only for your upper body.
You actually believe that?
You can get a full body workout with a weighted jump rope. In fact, it'll be more intense with that weighted jump rope because of the added weight. The added weight causes your muscles to work harder, increasing their activation and growth. By adding resistance, you will not only see strength, but muscle gain in all areas of your body, really. And if you want to know more about that, check out the video I have below where I describe how weighted jump ropes increase the muscles in your upper body and lower body. You can see both of those videos down below. Myth number 4, you need to use a weighted jump rope every day to see results, or you'll see better results using a weighted jump rope every day. It can go either way with this myth. I want to say that there are very popular videos saying what will happen to your body if you jump rope every day. While you might see the best results ever because you're progressing, right? Not so fast. You want to make sure there's a balance between taking rest days and working out. It's cool to jump rope when you can, but make sure that you are properly taking rest days. Balance is essential to getting in shape, and you don't want to burn out, like you're tired of jumping, tired of working out, tired of this.
You're sick?
Yeah, it got blurry.
Or your muscles can cramp, or you can get some other type of injury if you are jumping too often without taking the necessary break. It's important to incorporate rest days into your workout routine and vary the intensity of your sessions. Listen to your body and adjust your frequency and intensity as needed, and focus on maintaining proper form and balance to avoid strain on your joints and muscles. Myth number 5, weighted jump ropes offer no cardiovascular benefits. And this is so far from the truth.
This is all lies. None of this stuff is true.
In fact, the added weight can increase the intensity sometimes of your workout. I'll admit you'll get a better cardio workout with a speed rope than with a weighted jump rope, but don't get it twisted. You're still getting a great cardio workout with that weighted jump rope. Even if you're moving a bit slower, you're gonna feel every muscle in your body trying to get over that rope over and over again. Plus, you're gaining strength in the meantime, so it might not be the best cardio workout compared to a speed rope, but you're getting a full body experience and you're doing resistance training and cardio all at the same time. The first myth I have to debunk is that jumping rope is only for cardio.
Wrong, wrong, and wrong again.
Jumping rope is not only a great source of cardio, it also helps develop your coordination, agility, and overall body strength. By engaging multiple muscle groups at the same time, jumping rope offers a full body workout for all those that do it. Jumping rope helps you build lean muscle mass, and I'll explain more later on in the video. Multiple studies have shown that in addition to improving muscle strength, it also improves muscular endurance, which allows your muscles to exercise for longer periods and increases explosive power for quick, sudden movements that occur in sports. You can learn more about how jumping rope affects your body in the video that I have linked down below. The next myth is that jumping rope is only for high intensity training.
Things are getting too intense in here.
Jumping rope is not only great for HIIT style workouts, but it might be even better for low intensity steady state cardio. Jumping rope is one of the most versatile style workouts because you can do it at your fitness level and at the pace that you can handle.
Most versatile substance on the planet.
Jumping rope at a slower pace can actually be beneficial to you. When you jump slowly, you engage your muscles for a longer period of time. This allows them to build endurance and stamina.
Stamina, that is the key.
A big myth about jumping rope is that it's bad for your knees.
My knee aches every single day.
And this couldn't be further from the truth. If you use the proper technique, jumping rope can actually be beneficial to your knees, building up strength in them. Personally, I had some knee problems a little while ago, so much so that when I took planes, I had to wear knee sleeves to stop my knee from swelling up. Honestly, it was bad. So as I kept jumping and doing proper maintenance on my knees, like getting massages, stretching, I noticed that my knees started to feel better.
Oh, it feels so much better.
And hurt less when I did other activities. In fact, I no longer had to wear knee sleeves on the plane. So personally, jumping rope really helped me and my knee problems.
Really helped.
I go into more detail about how jumping rope helps your knees in a video down below, so go check that out if you're still curious. The next myth is that beginners should start with a speed rope or a light jump rope. Honestly, I recommend the exact opposite of this.
I guess we can just agree to disagree.
You should start with a weighted jump rope. Now, I don't mean use the heaviest jump rope, but as heavy as you can handle is what I always say. But if you can only handle a 1/4 pound of a rope, use that. The rope I'm using here is the 1/4 pound one from Cross Rope, and it is extremely useful for beginners because it helps you get started and helps you get coordinated.
But our time and our clothes gotta coordinate.
Using speed ropes can be very difficult because you're not as coordinated as you will be in the future. And weighted jump ropes move slower, so they are less difficult to use. Now, there can be some barrier if your arms aren't strong enough to handle a weighted jump rope. Don't use a 5-pound jump rope. No, you're not quite strong enough to handle it just yet, but you can start with the 4th pound one, and this will help you get your coordination to be able to move to do speed ropes, but it'll also build up strength so you can do heavier jump ropes at the same time. Now, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm always talking about weighted jump ropes, and I'm always giving advice and tips on how to actually use them to get in the best shape possible. The next myth is you can't build muscle while jumping rope.
Oh, no, I mean, obviously.
Now, I know in concept this might seem crazy, but you are building muscle while jumping rope. Let me explain. While primarily cardiovascular, jumping rope also engages muscles in the legs, core, and upper body, contributing to overall strength and toning. Jumping rope is a fantastic exercise for building lower body strength. It targets the muscles in your legs, including your calves, quadriceps, and hamstrings, helping to tone and strengthen them over time. Additionally, the explosive movements in jumping rope can also contribute to muscle development and power in the lower body. Weighted jump ropes also help to engage and strengthen the muscles in your upper body. The resistance provided by the weighted rope requires more effort from your arms, shoulders, and back, leading to improved muscle tone and strength in those areas.
Do you have proof?
According to the American Sport and Fitness Association, jumping rope is an excellent way to exercise all three muscle fibers: slow twitch, which is your endurance muscles, fast twitch, which is your speed muscles, and intermediate fast twitch, which is your power muscles. The concentric and eccentric contractions involved in jumping rope help improve balance, control, while simultaneously strengthening all the major muscle groups. Weighted jump ropes are generally more effective than regular ropes for building muscle endurance and strength. The added resistance from the weights engage and strengthens the muscles even further during the workout, leading to improved muscle tone and overall body coordination.
So it's true.
The next myth is that you have to jump rope for long periods of time to see any type of results.
Well, that can't be true.
From my personal experience, you really only need about 10 minutes to get a really good jump rope workout in. And those short workouts work out every single muscle in your body, so you're getting a short, full body workout that's extremely effective. The next myth is that jumping rope is only effective when done fast.
It has to be true.
This couldn't be further from the truth. Jumping rope can be effective at various speeds. Slower controlled jumps can be just as beneficial, especially for beginners or those focusing on technique. Jump rope is a highly effective exercise for improving cardiovascular fitness at any speed. Whether you choose to jump rope fast or perform slower, controlled jumps, both methods can elevate your heart rate and provide a great aerobic workout. Jumping rope increases your heart rate, improves blood circulation, and strengthens your heart and lungs, leading to improved cardiovascular endurance and overall fitness. One of the biggest myths about jumping rope is that you have to jump rope for hours to see results.
Paul, I am sick and tired of your lies.
Consistency and intensity outweigh the importance of duration. In fact, it's possible to lose weight and get cardiovascular fitness by doing short sessions of just 10 to 15 minutes. Plus, shorter sessions are easier to schedule and maintain for your busy schedule.
Come on, man, time is money.
Shorter sessions are less intimidating, they seem less of a daunting task. If you tell yourself you only got 10 to 15 minutes to work out, you'll be more likely to not only complete your workout, but you'll enjoy it even more. All of the equipment you see in today's video is available down below. The next myth is you need to jump rope every day to see results.
I love you, but you're crazy.
While regular exercise sessions are important, it's also crucial to allow your body time to recover. Aim for 3 to 5 sessions per week, incorporating rest days and other forms of exercise to prevent overuse injuries and maintain overall fitness. Listening to your body is essential to avoiding injury and ensure long-term success. Pay attention to any signs of discomfort or fatigue and adjust your intensity or take additional rest as needed. Remember, progress is best achieved through consistent, mindful practice rather than pushing through pain or exhaustion. Another myth is you can't jump rope if you're overweight. Jumping can benefit anyone regardless of their weight.
Besides, anyone can do it.
If you are extremely overweight, there are some precautions you might want to take. If you're obese and you want to start jumping rope, you want to start with a low impact approach, using a slightly cushioned surface like a rubber mat to minimize joint stress, wearing supportive athletic shoes to provide cushioning and stability, and you want to begin with short sessions and a slow pace, gradually increasing your duration and intensity as your fitness improves. You also might want to think about using a cordless jump rope. I know most people make fun of it, but if you're not quite coordinated and you're a little obese, it can help you gather your coordination and get used to the pace of jumping rope. Also, make sure you experience any pain or discomfort, stop immediately and consult a healthcare professional. And make sure you're focusing on doing the proper technique every single time. Another myth is jumping rope is only for cardio.
How could you think that?
So if you want to lose weight, you well know cardio only isn't really going to do it. You need to mix that up with some type of weight training. Good news, there are weighted jump ropes. Weighted jump ropes help with muscle development by adding resistance to your workout, which engages and strengthens various muscle groups, including the arms, shoulders, chest, back, and legs. This increased muscle activity boosts your metabolism, leading to higher calorie burn both during and after exercise. As a result, the enhanced muscle mass from using a weighted jump rope helps create a calorie deficit, which is essential for losing weight. Additionally, the improved muscle tone and strength make it easier to perform other physical activities, further contributing to weight loss and overall fitness. Over time, incorporating weighted jump ropes can lead to more muscle definition and overall muscle endurance. The next myth is you must jump high to benefit from jumping rope. The best technique involves low, quick jumps to minimize impact. If you jump just enough to clear the rope, you won't hurt your knees or ankles. Also, it conserves energy so you can keep a steady pace. By using this technique, you'll build endurance and agility faster. When you jump low and quick, you'll keep your heart rate elevated and burn calories effectively. Over time, this consistent calorie burn helps you lose weight. As a bonus, this technique will improve your endurance and agility so you can work out longer and more frequent, which will help you lose weight. The next myth is you have to jump rope fast to lose weight. Speed is not the only factor for effective weight loss. Mixing up your routine with different tempos, including slower, controlled jumps and high-intensity intervals, can keep your workouts effective and engaging. By alternating between slower, controlled jumps and bursts of high-intensity intervals, you can challenge different muscle groups and prevent workout plateaus. This variation not only keeps your exercise routine exciting, but also maximizes calorie burn and enhances overall fitness. Incorporating different tempos ensures your body continues to adapt and improve. The next myth is jumping rope alone is good enough for weight loss.
I have to do more of this?
Don't get easier.
Jumping rope is a great source of cardio and helps you build muscles and all that yada yada. But if you're not addressing your nutritional needs, you're not gonna lose weight. You can't outwork a bad diet. I know you've heard it a million times, but it's completely true. You have to eat whole foods, and I follow the pretty much 80-20 rule. 80% of the time, eat whole natural food, and then 20% of the time, you can eat something that you would like. Now, if I have a goal, if I'm trying to reach a certain goal, lose some type of weight, I might push it up and say, hey, this month I'm only drinking water. This month, no cookies, no sweets. But I do have cheat days involved in most of my workout plans. I want to say, don't be too restrictive with your diet. I don't want you being that person that says, I can't eat anything, nothing's healthy. I'm just not a big fan of very restrictive diets for long periods. There are studies that prove that those things just don't work in the long term. In the short term, you'll lose weight. In the long term, you'll probably gain that weight plus some because it's just hard to maintain that lifestyle. The next myth is that jumping rope is bad for your back. So this one can actually be true in some cases if you're not jumping rope the right way. Now, if you want to learn all the tips that I have to keep you from hurting your back while you're jumping rope, check this video out right here. I'm sure to help you. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.